So this is the custom exhaust. We're starting by the Catalyst VRSF downpipes. They're right there. So it's a full open line. Those are the Vibrant resonators. We had to cut the plate in order to fit. This is the X-pipe from Magnaflow. I added a Magnaflow iFlow cat because it was too smelly. There's a second one, and there they are, the brand new Barilla Pro XS, and I kept the Magnaflow tips. So that's the setup, how it looks like. Apparently makes much less noise than the Magnaflow, so we just need to hit it.